Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku. To begin, understand the grid. It's a 9 by 9 square, divided into 9 3 by 3 subgrids. Your goal is to fill every empty cell with a digit from 1 to 9. The key rule is that each digit can only appear once in each row, once in each column, and once in each of the 9 3 by 3 subgrids. It's a fun challenge. The easiest method involves finding single candidates. Look at an empty cell and consider which numbers from 1 to 9 could possibly go there. Eliminate any numbers already present in that cell's row, column, or its 3 by 3 subgrid. If only one number remains, that's your single candidate, and you can confidently place it in the cell. This is your starting point for most puzzles. Next, let's find hidden singles. Instead of looking at a single cell, focus on a specific row, column, or 3 by 3 subgrid. Pick a number, say 5. Can the number 5 only go in one specific empty cell within that row, column, or block? If so, even if other numbers could theoretically fit in that cell, the 5 is a hidden single for that area. Place it there to progress. To further improve, use pencil marks for all possible numbers in a cell. This helps visualize options. Remember, practice is key to mastering Sudoku. The more you play, the better you'll become at spotting patterns and applying these techniques. Also, for staying refreshed during your puzzle-solving sessions, check out the link in the description for a fantastic water bottle and other great deals. Keep challenging yourself with harder puzzles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.